Welcome to charting. In this video, we will understand how fundamental fields are used to create the scan on charting. We support most of the fields in fundamental area such as profit and loss data, balance sheet data, key financial ratios, and cash flow data. Let's take an example from each one and see how to create a fundamental scan. We will take a look at two different scans, one of which is a simple scan and the other one is more complex. Let's make a simple fundamental scan. We will add net profit, that is reported profit after tax, greater than net profit, reported profit after tax of 4 quarters ago. Let's add the condition for the revenue. We will type sales and select net sales. Let's change the time frame to yearly, greater than net sales of 1 year ago. Here with this symbol we can change the field from standalone to consolidated as per our requirement. The standalone fields are values of the company itself, and the consolidated fields include the values from the subsidiaries too. Now let's dive into more complex one. We will write a condition that gross sales have increased for the last 4 quarters using count function. For this, let's insert count and change the time frame to quarterly. Inside, change the length of the count to 4. Now let's add gross sales greater than gross sales of 1 quarter ago. Outside the count, we will ensure that it is true for the last 4 quarters. For the second condition, let's use the field from the balance sheet, which will show you that the company has been decreasing its debt compared to the previous year. Let's search loans, select secured loans and add unsecured loans to it. Less than secured loans and unsecured loans of 1 year ago. The next condition will be for the return on equity. Let's type return and select return on net worth, that is return on equity greater than 20. The fourth condition will show you debt to equity ratio less than 1. For the cash flow statement, we will ensure that the cash flow from operating activities is positive for the current financial year. Let's search net cash flow and select net cash from operating activities greater than 0. For the last condition, we will show you that the promoter holding is increasing compared to the previous quarter. Let's search total foreign promoter and group percentage plus Indian promoter and group percentage is greater than total foreign promoter and group percentage plus Indian promoter and group percentage. Let's change the time frame to previous quarter. This is the way we can create a combination of fundamental fields to create a scan. And that's how the fundamental fields can be used to create the scan in charting too. Thank you.